Hello students, how are you? Today our topic of study is adjective phrases. An adjective phrase is a group of words that include an adjective which modifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Remember, adjective phrases consist of adjectives together with elements that complement or modify them in different ways. Although adjective phrases are potentially complex in practice, most of them have a fairly simple structures. Thus, a typical adjective phrase consists of a head in the form of an adjective, sometimes accompanied by a degree modifier. There are two functions of adjective phrase: attributive adjective phrase and predictive adjectives. The attributive adjectives can be used to modify nouns inside noun phrase. For example, they bought a very expensive car. So here, expensive is an adjective because it is modifying a noun car. Similarly, if you combine very expensive, and it is a group of words which is also modifying the noun car. So, very expensive is an adjective phrase. So, if you look at the sentence again, they bought a very expensive car. If we take a very expensive car, the whole group of words, you will find that these are working as object in a sentence. There is subject bought a very expensive car. A very expensive car is also acting as an as a noun phrase. So it is also called a noun phrase. So if it is only very expensive is a adjective phrase, and a very expensive car is a noun phrase. Predictive adjectives. Predictive adjectives, on the other hand, have a pair of linking words to describe the subject of the clause. For example, your voice is very beautiful. Is linking verb here. Is a linking verb. Is or am was, but these are the linking verb. And very beautiful. Very beautiful is adjective phrase because these are the group of words and acting as a adjective of your voice. Your voice it is modifying the word your voice. Now, adjectival phrase, they are functioning differently. I also call them adjective phrase also. My grandfather is a man of great wisdom. Here, man is noun of great wisdom. What kind of man? Of great wisdom. So, of great wisdom is modifying or describing a man. So, it is a noun and it is a adjective phrase. Similarly, Tom is a man with good extent. What kind of extent? Man with good instincts. So, with good instincts mean that it is modifying the word man. So, with good instincts is also called an adjective phrase. She bought a cake made of nuts and fruit. Cake, what kind of cake? Made of nuts and fruit. So, cake is a noun. Made of nuts and fruit are adjective phrases because they are describing the noun cake. So, if you follow the same example in other sentences, you will find that the same pattern is going on. So, we can say that the adjective phrases are words which describe is a group of words which describe a noun or pronoun in a sentence. So, students, if you have any questions regarding this topic, you will write your question in the comment, and I'm going to answer those questions there. Thank you very much. Khudafis.